They've got the 3D printer here at the Central Library off Virginia Beach Boulevard across from Chili's restaurant. And you can come in and get the 3D printing class and bring in your own 3D printing drawings and save a MakerBot. And load it up on a thumb drive, MakerBot format, and load your material, which is free. Reserve your time, and then load your drawing, and let the printing begin. 3D printer pulling the material off the spool and printing the drawing you created. You can see it come to life as a 3D printer prints it out.